is a quick craft. I am going to make jewelry for our dolls using paper clips, thread, and beads. I will also use needle nose pliers and wire cutters for this project. Remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. I start by taking a paper clip. Inexpensive thin paper clips are easier to work with. I unfold it. On the wider side, I cut a hook, bend the end. I really just want to take my time to get it as round as possible. So I have a circle on the end. Add a bead, cut a small piece of paperboard, wrap with thread, slide the paper clip between the thread and the paperboard, remove the paperboard so you have a loop of thread on the end. Cut another piece of string, wrap it around the thread, tie and knot it so the thread is secure on the end of the paper clip. Smooth out the thread, trim it to make a tiny tassel. Add another bead, bend the wire, locking the beads and tassel inside the loop to make a tassel earring. Anna doesn't have pierced ears, so I carefully use a push pin to make a hole so she can wear the earrings. Use another paper clip to make another one, only this time I bent the wire the opposite direction so I have two opposite earrings, giving our doll a matching pair. Switch it up and add more beads. Completely straighten the paper clip, then carefully bend them to make larger hoops. You can add beads with no tassels or make several tassels, trim them short to make bold earrings with no beads. For dolls that have earrings that cannot be removed, take the end and make a small hook, kind of like the top of a hanger, so you can slide it over the earring to create a new look. I am a big fan of large earrings, and our dolls need somewhere to store them. So let's make an earring stand using popsicle sticks, jumbo craft sticks, and clear plastic from packaging. Cut a rectangle of clear plastic. This is about 2 inches by 2 3/4. Use a push pin to make holes. I made about 3 rows. Measure popsicle sticks to the plastic. Cut where needed so it is the same length. Repeat to make 2 and cut a jumbo craft stick as well. Sand any rough edges. Glue the popsicle sticks to the bottom of the clear plastic. I used a little hot glue to glue the popsicle sticks on both sides. Then glue them to the center of the craft stick. To make a clear stand, place the earrings into the holes to display our earring collection. This will be a fun accessory in the dollhouse. Thank you for joining us while we made doll earrings. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
Want to give a shout out to Sarah B. What's up? This outfit needs a little something extra. Ooh, I know. Oversized earrings. What do you think? Fabulous or fabulous?